Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you an all-new 2020 Boston Whaler 210 Dauntless. I'll go ahead and start on the outside of the boat. This is the light blue gel coat option. We also have the white rub rail and the stainless steel insert. We also have the chrome Boston Whaler emblems back there and the crystal cap 210 Dauntless right here. Let's walk around and show you some more of the benefits. Here we go, guys. Back here you do see the Linko trim tabs. You do have a telescoping ladder right here under a beauty cover. If you remove that, pull straight out even further, and you have a 3-tier stainless steel telescoping ladder. Makes it very easy to get in and out of the boat. This boat was optioned with the new white Mercury V6 as well. Plenty of power. These are the Linko trim tabs. Great to use. So what they're going to do is actually balance out the boat if you have more weight on one side or the other, or it also actually helps you cut through the waves. So if you put these all the way down, it's going to put the bow of the boat down and you're going to cut straight through the wakes, and it works vice versa as well. Here at the helm, I want to show you guys a few things. The white Mercury V6 was equipped with a digital throttle and shift. Very easy to shift this boat into forward, neutral, and reverse. There's also dock mode, throttle only, so you can warm up the motor on those cool days, and it's all lighted back in the background as well. Again, we were talking about the Linko trim tabs on the outside of the boat. You do have a light indicator switch here, so say you find a sweet spot that you guys like, you can always refer back to that on the light indicators right here. At the helm, we do have Mercury SmartCraft gauges, which show your RPMs, your speed, and you can actually scroll through here to see like engine temp, water temp, things like that as well. All your switches are at arm's reach. There's this very convenient glove box right here with chargers built in, so you can put your charger or your phones in there, any of your equipment that you want to keep nice and dry, because there is a nice gasket to keep water out of it, and you can maintain or charge the phones or whatever equipment you put in there during that time. Right over here we do have a Fusion head unit. AM, FM, Bluetooth, and you can also equip it with Sirius satellite radio as well. In the helm, we have plenty of room right here to put your displays. You can put Simrad, Garmin, Raymarine, whatever fits you best, whatever you like best. We can do all that in-house here too. Moving on, like I said, this is a trim or a tilt steering wheel right here, and you have some cup holders right here, and up top we have the spot for your anchor light. Say your bimini was open, there is a slit in the bimini, so you can put it through there. Don't have to worry about collapsing the bimini when it gets dark out. Nice built-in compass right here to make sure you always know which direction you're coming or which direction you need to come back. Y'all, the bridge clearance on this boat is 5'7" from the water line to right here. If you add the bimini top opened up, it's 7'7". Here's a great feature to this boat. The leaning post right here, right now it's facing forward. This has 4 positions on it. So what that means is if you want to sit up a little bit straighter or actually even reverse directions, you can do that. Very easy, just lifts up and out of the way. On both sides of the leaning post, you do have 2 built-in rod holders right here, and storage for your pliers and knives and whatnot. Under the seat, we have that full livewell in here. It has your overflow tube inside as well, and a light. It's nice light blue in there, all finished fiberglass and gel coat. In the back of the 210 Dauntless by Boston Whaler, there's a huge casting platform. Over here you have that ladder we talked about earlier. A little bit of storage over here. But say you're not out fishing. Say you're just relaxing with the family going for an evening cruise. That's not a problem at all. Just grab that latch right there. You can open this up. It gives you a nice bench seat right here. Underneath, there's plenty of storage down here as well. It's got your ski pylon that is removable and your anchor light. You can put other things down there as well. We've been known to put batteries down there for trolling motors, things like that. Additional options on the boat. Moving forward, there's plenty of room to walk through. This boat has an 8'6" beam, and it's a little over 21 feet long. In the front of the boat, we have a very nice sun pad area. Right here, we do have a built-in fish box. It is insulated, so you can fill it up with ice and throw your fresh catch in there, or you can use it for drinks and snacks and whatnot. Under this cushion right here is your anchor locker storage. But anchor lockers are kind of a thing of the past. One of the unique things that this boat was optioned with is the trolling motor prep package. So this has the reciprocal for the trolling motor, all you have to do is add the mount right here, plug it in, connect it to the batteries, and you can actually push a button and anchor your boat with say a Minn Kota trolling motor. Some additional features in the bow of the boat are there's plenty of cup holders throughout. Right here we have two more right there, same thing on the opposite side. Also, there's a Fusion remote right down here to control your stereo system. In front of the helm, we have a nice comfy seat with a nice comfy backrest. We have 4 rod holders right here, 2 cup holders on, or 1 cup holder on either side. Then we have your second live well. So if you're fishing with live bait in either the front or the back of the boat, you have access to live bait the whole time. You don't have to walk around and get in your fisherman buddies' way. Inside the helm, you see your battery boxes there, but we did also option this boat with a porta potty. Some other key features that I want to point out are, first, this boat has a 14-inch draft, so that's going to allow you to get into those really skinny waters. It has a fuel tank of 75 gallons, so it's going to last all day plus more, and it'll definitely get you where you need to go. Then last, this boat has a capacity rating for up to 8 people, so you can take all your friends and family out and enjoy the time on the water. You guys, again, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. If there's anything we can do for you, please give us a call or visit us at marinemax.com.